All right, everybody. First of all, we want to thank you for a successful Black Friday and Cyber Monday. We're completely sold out. We'll be back in stock soon, but thank you. Thank you. Orders are going out every day. Now, today, in this week, I'm going to show you some easy shrimp recipes. We all love shrimp. So these recipes are so easy. As you can see, I don't have too many ingredients. Today, we're going to do the honey walnut shrimp. This is my wife's favorite. Honestly, when we go to any Asian spot, Chinese food spot, this is all she orders. All right, this is our first step. This is called the velveting method. Every time you go to a Chinese food restaurant, I know you wonder how, like, when they do beef broccoli, the steak is so tender and the consistency of it is like super smooth. It's called the velveting technique. Right now I have some MSG, some baking soda, cornstarch, chicken bouillon, and I also have some sesame oil. Now, some people use cooking wine. I like to use mirin. You're gonna get about 15 to 20 shrimp, peeled and deveined. Make sure you have about 15 to 20 shrimp. I usually use about 20 because if I want some of this, I have to make more because Sunny's gonna eat majority of it because it's her favorite dish. All right, we have our 20 shrimp. We're just gonna add the seasoning. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of sesame oil, a couple of tablespoons of the mirin. All right, now once that's incorporated, we're gonna set that to the side and we're gonna start to work on our batter. Now, we're gonna make our wet batter for the shrimp. Super simple. We're gonna use a cup of self-rising flour. Self-rising flour helps when you fry it, it's extra crispy and airy. So keep that in mind, self-rising flour. Then we have a half cup of corn flour. It adds more crispiness to the shrimp. And now we have a cup of water. I'll pour that in there. So do about 1 cup and 2-3 tablespoons extra water. Mix that up to smooth. Once you get it smooth, we're ready to fry. All right, now that we let our shrimp set for about 10 minutes, got our batter ready, we're just gonna drop all these in there, coat them up real nice, throw them in that oil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're off to the next step. Now, from what I hear, if you put batter all over your fingers, when you drop it in the oil won't burn, but I think that's bullshit. Now, when your shrimp is almost done, you got about a couple minutes left on it, go ahead and throw a couple walnuts in. All right, now we got our wok out. We're about to make our sauce. Crazy part is, honey walnut shrimp is not made with honey. We have our condensed milk, mayo, some garlic, olive oil. That's it. Now, some people don't put garlic in there, honey walnut shrimp, but Sunny loves garlic. So I'm gonna add some olive oil, a couple of cloves of garlic. Now we're gonna add our mayo. We're gonna add our condensed milk. Oh, cuz. Got me. I'm gonna use like a half jar of the condensed milk. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. Now we're ready to plate. All right, honey walnut shrimp. As you can see, I didn't bring no Kool-Aid because I'm not gonna allow her to drink Kool-Aid with a sweet dish.
Kool-Aid on the table.
Okay, well,
No, I'm
just
just
some water.
no, I'm just saying my Kool-Aid off to the side.
So here goes your favorite. Tell me how it is. Make sure you get some nuts too.
Some nuts. Pause.
How's that pause for you?
I don't know. I don't be using that right. Oh,
That's a hell of a bite.
and I'm gonna bite it
I
all.
want that bite. Maybe. Fire, huh?
Hot food.
Now, if you don't like the wet batter recipe, there are substitutions like Bleu Magic. At our restaurant, we fry our shrimp with Bleu Magic, then toss it in the sauce. But, you know, this is another good option. It's light, it's airy, it's crispy. The sauce is thick enough to where it doesn't make it soggy, so it's perfect.
Can y'all hear me chewing?
Mukbang.
You wanna go?
Yes, please. You know, green onion or nothing? God damn.
My bad. Don't try to play me. I ain't good with the chopsticks like that. Now I need a beer. That's too big. I said, put it in my mouth.
Fire. To be honest, this is a Panda Express hack. Tastes just like Panda Express.
No, it tastes better.
Just a little.
It tastes better.
Well, have you ever made honey nut? Hold on. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had honey walnut shrimp. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.